Hello. We have Bumblebee Garden. I got this at Epcot in Florida at Disney. And when I was walking into the store and I was like, what is this? And I was reading it and I was like, Miss Stroni's class, obviously. So I bought it, obviously, because pollinators, that's my thing. So I bought it. And now it takes 3 steps to make it: craft, plant, and grow. I get to color it. Well, I'm gonna do that. So we're going to open this baby up. See what's inside. Okay. So we got Bee Blend. Assorted wildflowers. Okay. And this is how to make it, and that's a sticker to color. Obviously, I'm gonna color that. And we got the color pencils. And we got the stick for it. Looks like it's time to get crafty. So now that my little bee is decorated, keep in mind that this is just for like decoration. So it's not really important. This is the most important thing right now. So we're gonna plant these, and since I'm experimenting, I was looking through our assortment of like seeds that we have in our drawer. I don't know why we have it, but we do. And I'm gonna grow some peas, or try to, I guess. So let's plant these seeds. So now that I have this little area done, I'm gonna put like the peas in the corners, just because I want to. So, put a couple peas in there. Put a couple peas over here. Put a couple peas over here. Oh, that was a lot. Put a couple peas over here. Put that aside. And then like all around I'll have like the flower seeds. So we're gonna cover those babies up. Get in there. Thank you. Oop, rock. Go. And then we have the Bee Blend assorted wildflowers and all this stuff. So I'm just gonna like scatter them. Okay, that was all. So yeah. And then I'll just like mix it in, I guess. I don't know. I'm not really like a planter. So this is mixing it in, I guess. We're mixing. And then just boom, 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 boom. Boom, they're planted. And then I'll have to update you when I see something change. So this was like 3 weeks after I planted it. The little peas are growing. I'm pretty sure because they're in like the corners. But only like these two. I don't know what's going on over there. And like, I think this is grass growing. Because I don't think it's the flowers. But that's the update. So the peas are growing. But grass is growing in here. Because my dad mowed the lawn and he just put it all in there. And it's disrespectful. There's our rhubarb. But back to this. I don't know how the flowers are doing. They're probably dead, but that's really sad. But yeah, I got peas. Okay guys, we are checking the peas on the last day, and it's raining. And my rain gardens really, you know, it can I speak? It grew stuff that I don't want to grow, obviously. Oh, but I think these are, where's my peas? We're gonna dig up some peas today to see how they are looking, or at least try to. This thing is flooded. So obviously it's been raining a lot. I cannot find the peas. Like, I don't know if they just didn't grow or something, or whatever, but I can't find them. So, rain garden.
Silly little Sophie recorded a 30-minute video of making the garden, and it was too long, so here's some pictures.